Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of electronics technology news is high precision Galvo scanner for laser soldering. With ultra-fast positioning and dynamic beam control, it enables complex soldering geometries, selective preheating, and seamless integration into modern production lines, driving both quality and productivity to new heights. UTech has introduced an advanced Galvo scanner designed to enhance the efficiency and precision of laser soldering in electronics manufacturing. The technology optimizes soldering processes while reducing cycle times, making it ideal for increasingly miniaturized and densely packed electronic components. The Galvo scanner is a high-speed dynamic beam guidance system used in laser-based processes such as soldering, welding, and engraving. The key features are high precision positioning, achieves rapid and accurate laser beam placement within a 140 by 140 mm scan field. Galvanometer-controlled mirrors. 2 high-precision mirrors enable millisecond-level repositioning of the laser beam. The key features are minimal heat exposure, ensures precise soldering while protecting surrounding components from thermal damage. Fast circular beam movement, allows near-simultaneous expansion of the laser beam for greater soldering efficiency. This dynamic beam control makes it possible to process even complex soldering geometries with unparalleled accuracy. Additionally, the scanner can be used for selective preheating, reducing the thermal load on temperature-sensitive assemblies. Beyond laser soldering, the laser knife system further streamlines manufacturing by enabling targeted contactless heat application without requiring movement of the laser source or the component. In certain applications, the Galvo scanner eliminates the need for additional movement modules in the X and Y axes, simplifying assembly and reducing mechanical complexity. It is also well suited for large solder joints, such as soldering contacts onto film capacitors, where rapid and reliable heat distribution is crucial. As soldering requirements in electronics manufacturing become more demanding, precision and speed are critical. The Galvo scanner provides an optimal solution for selective laser soldering. This feature is particularly beneficial for time-sensitive projects, eliminating unnecessary mechanical movements and enhancing productivity, says Matthias Fahrenbach, CEO of UTech GmbH. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my electronics technology channel. And for searching my channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.